Hello everyone, in this video welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to give you a short tutorial on Cielo.finance. I repeat, this is the wallet tracking website. So basically, in which I have my demo account in this, so second account. I cannot show you my main account. Basically, in main account the difference is I have multiple wallets, like 21 wallets that I'm tracking, but this one I have only 6. So basically I connected my LCDs with various serious finance views, and I use 2 accounts to track whales like this one. This is the latest signal of Incentos, which is a popular trader on meme coin. So I have a lot of wallet addresses basically, but remember guys, to make sure you use your own strategy. When you use your own strategy, you will be stay ahead from these whales. So basically a lot of guys say that if you track wallet you can make money, but this is a false statement. So you need to see the like you can see the project overview if the whale is investing, and you need to sell before the whale. Okay, you don't you need to sell before the whale, and you need to buy before the whale. Okay, so these are something that you need to know. So in this video I am covering this Cielo Finance, how to use it, and how to track the whale wallet. So in this video let's go to the discovery. If we see the discovery section, you can see that there is some kind of wallet that they are giving. If we click on this one and this one and this one, 3 different wallet. Let's check the first wallet that we click. So it show me the plan that I have a plan integrated, like because I have on this account I am using 6 wallet. Okay, on the free plan you can use I think maybe 6 to 7 wallet, yeah, like that. For example, if I just take a look on the feed section and I copy the address on my notepad. Let's just swap the notepad. I can give you a tutorial about how you can do this. So this is a wallet that I am deleting right now. So let's delete this wallet. Yeah, the wallet is deleted. So yeah, so basically if you just see this kind of thing, you have the interface and you don't have any interface. If you go to the discovery, you can find the various wallet addresses like this one. Like these are something that they will show. My internet is very slow guys, as you can see, and let me just check. Yeah, it will show you the some kind of addresses if you just go to the plan, they will show the like plan. So I don't have any option. I don't know why it's happening. But if we just go to public list, like in the Murad here, we can see there are multiple wallets like Murad 1, Solana 1, and like if we just see his portfolio, that he is holding only 8.31 Solana. So you cannot find a meme coin. You can also find some meme coin on there, like traders, like if you just see, they just let me just check. Solana Trench Hunt Crypto Calls, popular project by early users. Solana trader. Oh, what the fuck is this? So let's check this. Yeah, like let's check his coin portfolio. Yeah, so this is the kind of the trader that he have. But I can give you a tip how you can find the best trader. Like for example, I have a wallet that I am following. Is this wallet? I don't know who's the person is, but this wallet is the like hidden gem. Like if we just see in the I don't know. Yeah, so see how many balance he has. And if we just see the win rate, you can see his win rate, that he has a good win rate, like before, yeah, 94%. This is a rare wallet guys. So basically this is a rare wallet that nobody is telling you. If you find a win rate of 90%, so basically you are very lucky that you find a good wallet. So remember that you should know the wallet the fundamental of the how to find a good wallet. I will cover also the video on this separate video, but in this part I am going to cover you like a short overview. If you go to the my wallet section, you can select if you go to the edit tab, you can select the Telegram bot. If you want to add, like select Telegram bot free, save changes. So I just set the Telegram bot free. Okay, it will if I have a Telegram, I will link my Cielo, and it will give me a bot that can alert me when these trader buy or sell his coin. Or if we say see the inside, we need to upgrade the plan, and this is much for the Cielo finance. And I will show you now how you can track these type of coin. For example, let's go to the Dexscreener. Let me close these all tabs. If we just go to the Dexscreener and let's change to 24 hours, like this coin, like the department of something, fucking thing. And if we just see the holder, we need to find the holder that invest it's the little amount of money. So first of all, we need to see the holder section. Top trader. I don't know, 1 minute. He invested this let's check. I don't know, sorry, my mistake, guys. This thing is very confusing. By Dexscreener is very confusing. And if we just validate I don't know, from by 1.14 Solana. So let's check this thing. For example, I just found a whale address. Let's check if it's real or not. I don't know, it's so slow, guys. My internet is working very slow. So this is the address that I copy, and let's go to the on-chain and paste the address. So let's check the portfolio that he have. Okay, and token PNL. It's taking so much time, guys. 70% win rate. It's a quite good win rate, and he traded like 161 tokens, which is a good thing. So let's add this trader, and let's see which he just is trading right now. Let's click on the add, and let's name is the testing wallet. Let's name this testing. Testing wallet, save change. Testing wallet. So let's go to the feed section. If the testing wallet do some latest transaction, it will show you on the feed section. For set the alert, you can go to the wallet and select the testing wallet. You just add and click on the edit mark, and you can select the Telegram bot and save change. Just it's quite a simple thing that anybody can do, or a 5-year-old boy can do this thing. It is very easy to track whale, but remember, guys, you need to see the coin first. And they have the most of the whale that are trading, they have their they have like $100 or $200. But if you are trading with minor capital like $30-50 or $70, so you should be very careful, and you should see the coin by yourself, and don't buy when the whale buy, because they have the money and they have the capital that they can risk, and you don't have any capital. So make sure you do your own research and make your own strategy, guys, and don't follow any YouTuber that are showing this scam stuff. And remember guys, stay away from the YouTuber that they are saying you can turn 1 Solana into 100 or 1 Solana to 1 million. It is not possible. The only thing is possible is the dedication that you are doing in the meme coin space. And remember guys, if there is a risk, there is a reward that is greater than many other things. So thank you for the video. Stay safe guys, and Merry Christmas.